Flyers are a tried and true marketing tool, and today we're going to cover how to design a flyer for any occasion to promote your business. Designing an amazing flyer could be the secret to getting the boost your event or promotion needs. But designing a great flyer actually doesn't start with design. It starts with strategy. First, you need to determine if a flyer is the right promotional item for your initiative. What result are you trying to achieve? Are you promoting something specific within your business or making an overall brand awareness play? If you're not clear on the purpose of your marketing effort, then you could end up with an unfocused design that just ends up in the recycling bin. Flyers are particularly good at promoting events and driving foot traffic, so look at your marketing plan and make sure that this is the right tool for the job first. Next, you need to determine some key bits of information for your flyer. Of course, the ever-important questions of who, what, when, where, why apply, but get really specific with your answers. Who is the target audience? What are their tastes and preferences? What catches their attention? What is the simplest and most enticing form of your message? What should your target audience be thinking or feeling after reading your flyer? What action do you want them to take once they're done reading your flyer? Even if you're just focusing on brand awareness, have a clear CTA, like following you on social media or visiting your website. Asking deeper questions than the 5 W's will help you get crystal clear on the information that is essential to your flyer. Don't be afraid of bullet points, but don't rely on them too much either. They're a great way to relay rapid-fire information, but using too many can make your flyer feel more like a grocery list and less like a professional promotional item. After you have your message and strategy in place, you can turn your attention to the actual visual design of the flyer. If you have a brand guide for your company, start there. Or if you're promoting an event with unique branding, you can use that as a jumping off point. Choose your colors and branded elements and keep in mind if your flyer will be seen in color or in black and white. We've talked about using a hierarchy in all kinds of design, but on flyers especially, you need to think about what copy you want prioritized and in what order your message is best communicated. Good flyer design will incorporate visual elements and copy elements in clear hierarchy of importance that guides the reader's eyes quickly over everything they need to know. We always recommend looking up other flyers that you really like and that really catch your attention. Look at how they organized information, used imagery, and communicated their message in CTA. Good inspiration, coupled with great answers to the questions we talked about, will help you create a clear design request and create an amazing flyer. Of course, once you get the flyer design back, be sure to proofread. Read it out loud, get a friend to read it, and triple check it. You're not just looking for correct spelling, but also for information that may have been left out, or for odd spacing and layout that might mislead your eyes so the message is delivered out of order from how you intended. When you give that final design your seal of approval, be sure to get whatever source files you need for your printer, and be sure your designer took bleed into account. Getting the source files allows you to post the flyer online too, and get even more reach and use out of it. Great flyer design often works just as well digitally as it does in print. This is all great information to think about, but if you're like me, you won't be designing the flyer yourself. You'll be outlining the information and then handing that request off to a designer. Here at Design Pickle, we have a global team of talented designers that are pros at flyer design and loads more. Our platform makes it really easy for you to clearly communicate all the information that you need on your flyer, upload inspiration, and get the source files you need. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.